So I have a little surprise for you.
No way.
So I know you say you have never sat in one.
Really?
I have a little surprise for you. I have a little surprise for you.
Very cool car.
So let me hold this for you. All right.
Wow. Wow. Like wall plug stereo. That's like the
Yeah.
epitome of the 80s. Yeah. I had to repair it because the guy who
Crazy, right?
on the car was using carpet. That's the only thing I'll break down.
Crazy, right?
Thank you, Mark.
So it is like working now.
M1. So, interesting fact. You have a vent right here?
Yes.
You have your speaker, your door handle. And what is this?
That is you pop that off and you can mechanically make the windows go up
And you
and
have your
down.
window controls right there. No,
No, that's the mirror.
the mirror controls.
Are in the center.
And that's your lever to open the hood.
Yeah, that opens the front.
Good, how are you? It actually is very low.
Oh, it is very
Look
low.
at how low the center of gravity is.
Yeah. And it's extremely well balanced.
So it's almost like a zero angle seat, right?
No, you can move the seat.
Roman Chinese.
So what do you think?
I tend to lay back.
I'm speechless.
I thought it was pop. That's why I was looking at it. I think it's just the corner of it.
All right.
Thank you.
Crazy, right?
Thank
No
you.
worries, man. No worries. No worries.
Wow.
Let me hold this for you. Make sure you're all good.
Thank you, Mark.
All right. No worries. No worries. No worries. You wouldn't guess what this is. You would never guess what that is.
Fuel filler?
Yeah.
Fuel
My
filler.
308 kind of had that.
Yeah, my 308 has the same thing.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
Holy moly.
Oh, wow.
So how do you work on this? I mean, I'm pretty tall.
So that panel comes off,
All
and my
right.
mechanic, he releases these, and this will sit all the way up.
Hold on. Is this a roll cage?
Not really, no. It's
is
really
already,
just
huh?
for this thing.
That's what I figured.
Individual throttle.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at the piping for the
Those are
exhaust.
crazy.
It's a little dirty.
Nah. Legendary. Legend. Check it out. Check it out.
I was in Michigan 40 years ago. A man had an orange one,
This is
and that's the first time I saw it. It was like it came up the road, and I knew right what it was, but it's like to see it.
More similar to the M3, I think. But
So what? So this is, I'm assuming, oil.
M means motorsport.
Wouldn't have a clue, mate.
Whatever.
This car's so foreign to me, but it's fabulous.
So what material is this?
It's
you know?
it's
You know what? I went out to say aluminum.
How many horses?
I can't remember.
Jeez.
I would
It's
think
actually
it's
epoxy.
I would think it's
Epoxy.
aluminum.
The whole
Is it-
body's made out of an epoxy.
Is it aluminum?
It's no, it's
Has a
epoxy.
nice pearl color there.
It's a plastic epoxy. That's what they built in the car originally.
Well, at least we know who was to start the show today.
Thank you.
Beautiful, sir.
Should have
Sir.
washed it. I didn't even wash it.
Next time. Man, thank you.